Welcome to the Islamic quiz room.
25 quiz question.
Islam General Knowledge Quiz. 10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go. What is the minimum number of people required for a Jumu'ah Friday prayer? Three. Which creature is mentioned in the Quran that spoke to humans? A lion. What is the name of the well in Mecca from which Zamzam water flows? Zamzam. Which prophet is known as Kalalullah, friend of Allah? Prophet Ibrahim. What is the name of the Day of Judgment in Islam? All of the above. Which companion was the first muezzin, caller to prayer? Bilal, Radiyallahu anhu. What is the name of the treaty signed between the Muslims and the Quraysh? Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Which prophet's father was not a prophet? Prophet Isa. What is the term for the Islamic concept of predestination? Qadar. Which food item is specifically mentioned as being forbidden in the Quran? Pork. Which surah begins without Bismillah? Tawbah. How many times is the name Muhammad mentioned in the Quran? Four. What is the name of the cave where the Prophet PBUH received the first revelation? Cave of Hira. Which of these is not a pillar of Islam? Khutbah. What is the name of the Prophet's PBUH migration from Mecca to Medina? Hijra. Which prophet was given the ability to understand the language of animals? Prophet Suleiman. What is the name of the prayer offered immediately after sunset? Prophet Suleiman. Which companion was the Prophet's PBUH foster mother? Maghrib. What is the Arabic word for Satan or devil? Halima. Which of these is a compulsory charity paid at the end of Ramadan? Shaitan. How many verses, ayahs, are there in the Holy Quran? Zakat al-Fitr. What is the name of the event where the Quran was revealed to the Prophet PBUH? (6236). Which prophet is known for his incredible patience? Laylat al-Qadr. Prophet Ayub. What is the name of the two small prayers after every obligatory prayer? Sunnah/Rawatib. Who will be the first person to be